You can obtain information on learning to drive and other matters relating to driving from the following organisations. The Driving Standards Agency, DSA, operate the Driving Tests and Pass Plus scheme. They also run the Register of Approved Driving Instructors. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA, issue all licenses for drivers and their vehicles. Think, a government campaign providing useful information on road safety issues. The Motor Schools Association, MSA, is a trade organisation of approved driving instructors. Founded in 1935 as a service to the profession and a safeguard to the public. The Driving Instructors Association, DIA, is an association for driving instructors promoting road user education since 1978. The ADI Federation represents the interest of driving instructors. The leading organisations for motorists are the AA, RAC. Organisations that conduct advanced driving tests are ROSPA, the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents, IAM, Institute of Advanced Motorists.